Hi, it's Kiffin Lebates here. So this video is in response to a comment that Carlos made on my feed a while back, which made me realize that when I'm talking about permission blockchains, I'm talking about it probably too abstractly, and therefore it's worth giving an example of a case where a semi-permissioned or sort of partially open and partially permissioned blockchain makes sense. And Carlos helpfully provided one. That is the case where you have a supply chain and you want to allow anybody to be able to report that they've received goods, but you don't want just anybody to be able to create a digital representation of goods on the chain. And in particular, if you end up with a lot of false transactions or a lot of spam on your blockchain because someone's misbehaving, you want to be able to kick them off. And that is a perfect case for a partially permissioned blockchain. So this would be something where anybody can download software from, say, Google Play that allows them to use their phone to scan a tag on some goods that they receive. But if you're a manufacturer, then you register in order to be able to put your goods on the blockchain. And then you have the real physical goods with some kind of identifier, a QR code or an RFID tag on them. And there's a digital twin on the blockchain that is used for actually tracking how the goods travel through the supply chain. So it's, I think, a very clear case, and it makes perfect sense. It means that people out there, anybody in the world, can receive the goods because they should have a phone and be able to go to an app store in order to be able to get the tracking software. And then you have the option of possibly through paying or through a partnership agreement to sign up to more possibilities and more properties on the blockchain. And as a reminder, there's all sorts of permissions that you can have on a blockchain, not just sending and receiving digital assets. It can be reporting a specific kind of data, like receiving goods, or it could be the creation of digital assets and linking them to some kind of real-world code. Anyway, thanks, Carlos, for that, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.